gonna do some head stud installing. So pretty much you're gonna dip the studs, bottom of the stud in the oil. You're gonna put it down in and start threading it down. What I do is I do it in there by hand. Then I'll take the ratchet, go just a little bit further, and then I'll take the torque wrench and torque it. There's no, on the K20C1, K20C4, K20C2, there is no specific stud to one hole, so they're all the same. These are Inline Pro 11 millimeter head studs. I don't recommend anything else. I use Inline Pro on all my motors, so that's what I recommend. I'm using the Torco SR1 5W30 to dip them in, since I already had this open container. This is the oil that I used in the Accord on the stock motor. On the built motor, I'm gonna go with 5W40 or 50. I have to double check on that. I haven't even ordered any oil. I've just been super busy, but this will work for putting the studs in. And then hopefully tomorrow I have the head gasket. I've been waiting on a gasket and dowel pins for the new motor. And then the head will go on the motor. I got the head studs today from Axion Industries. So yeah, he has a couple sets in stock, and he will be stocking them. Like I said, these are the best head studs on the market for the K20C C1, C4, C2 engine. They're all the same. There's no specific stud for the C1 versus C4 or anything. I'm going to close this up so it doesn't get dumped. Finish tightening this one in. Then I'm going to take the gloves off so I don't get my tools all greasy. They're dirty enough without engine oil all over. So the head studs come with instructions. You're going to torque these studs down to 24 inch-pounds or 2 foot-pounds. That's not a whole lot, just to let you know. And since mine doesn't go down there, you just have to watch the gauge. We're just gonna move. That one needs to come back out. And I'm not sure what's up with this one, so we're going to take it back out and look. This should be very easy. I thought I had these cleaned out good enough. Always double check your work. If something's not going right, then something's up. Just like it had an air pocket in it, I believe. The oil sealed it up. Camera. Bear with me. I'm going to stop the video here and get some batteries. So I got that one. There was just a little bit too much oil in the hole. So pretty much what you're going to need to do is put your studs in there like I did. Torque them down to the 24 inch-pounds. And then I don't have my dowel pins. I'll have them tomorrow. Make sure your dowel pins are in. And then after the dowel pins are in, you're going to lay the head gasket down. And then after the head gasket's on, you're going to sit the cylinder head down on there. You're going to put the washers for the studs on. Then you're going to take a little bit of this lube and put on each one of the threads. And then you're going to take the head stud nuts. You're going to put them on. And then you're going to follow the instructions. First, do a 25, and this is how I would show you how to do it. You're going to do this one, then 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 this one, and then this one, then this one, and then I would do this one, then come back to this one, and then go over here to do that one. Once you get the 25 foot-pounds done, Then you're going to go 50, 50, 50, so on. So pretty much I'm going to start in the middle, do those two, and then I'm going to cross. And then I'm going to go to the opposite side and, you know, cross. And then I'm going to come back here, and then I'm going to go over here. And then that's what I would follow. 25, do a step of 25, then the 50, and then the 80. And now I'm going to tell you a little trick. And then you're going to let this sit overnight. And then you're going to come back out here, and you're going to do it again. 80. Do the 80, then the 80, and so on and so forth. And then you will be good. And that's and pretty much what that is you let this sit 24 hours after it's torqued, because it's going to settle in. And then if you went to run it, you could potentially have a leak. So I would check your torque after 24 hours. That will give it enough time for it to settle. So that's pretty much it for right now. And edit into the video of putting the other parts on.